Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business social media mood using render clouds in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and create a square canvas. I pause because social posts need instant impact. I create a new layer and apply render clouds. The pattern feels organic. I lower contrast using levels. I apply a brand color overlay. I mask out the center slightly to protect text. The mood now feels premium. Business content should feel trustworthy, even on social media. Render clouds helps remove flatness. I stop when the post feels calm yet confident. Thank you.